Let's draw another tree. I already draw the circle, and I use 6B pencil for sketching. Here I draw the contour line of the circle. Then I use monolight brush for drawing. Draw the leaves one by one along the contour line. You can try the leaf design by yourself, from small to large or large to small. But don't forget to draw along the contour line of the circle. Then your trees will look like 3D forms. Now you understand the process of the drawing, so I fast forward the process. Okay, draw the leaves one by one. Okay, almost done. Okay, outline of the tree done. Add a new layer, and I use square brush to draw the stem of the tree. Okay, let's draw. This is the pressure brush, so beware of the pressure. More pressure, thick line, and less pressure, thin line. Okay, draw the stem of the leaves one by one. You can draw 2 to 3 stems per leaves. Okay, I'll fast forward a bit. I made the canvas size about 3000 to 3000 square size because after I finish my drawing, I can make this as a stem brush and use it anytime I want. Okay, almost done. Let's fill the large space with some leaves. Let's fill the blank space with darkness. Okay, let's fill it one by one. If the space is too large, you can add small leaves in the blank space. This darkness will make your drawings pop out. Okay, almost done. You can check out the finished piece of the tree on my Instagram account. Link in the description below. Okay, it's done. After finishing it, I make it as a stem brush and then draw the stem of the tree and fill with it, and then make a fancy tree. Bye bye.